Hi, welcome to my video. At the moment, we had the DL360e Gen8 server, which the controller B320 is giving some faulty message, say it cannot be configured. And luckily this was under warranty, so we're gonna replace the motherboard. We had one new board received from the HP, and here's the new motherboard. And to remove the motherboard is quite simple. You just need to take it out the PCIe cage, the first thing, then take out all the fan, release all the fan. The end one for the P2 CPU 2, these two, you don't have a clips. The others 2, 4, 6, you can lift it up, put up like this way, and there's two blue screw. You need to turn to anti-clockwise, and that's it. After you release the screw, you just put forwards, and the SATA drive for the DVD optical drive can be removed. Then this is the front VGA USB connections. Yeah, this also have to be removed. Two, and then the main power things, the main power supply cable. And that's it. You can take the whole board out. But before that, this B320, it comes with the 512 cache memory, which you need to take it out and put one side. So here's the board, and here's the board. Pick it up gently. Here we got a new board, so slide down, and you push it backward. And you need to screw back the motherboard screw, plug this cable back. The catch module for the B320. this to plug it back, power. This one doesn't have a clip, you just clip it in. This one come with a ledge, just pin down. Here's the new ILO detail for the motherboard, so you need to put it on the front there. Yeah, you need to stick it on somewhere on the front. This one no longer exists, you need to stick the new one. Then this need to clip in PCIe cage. And that's it. Basically take less than 10 minutes to replace the motherboard, and we need to put the CPU and RAM back to this new board. And job done. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.